Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, I'm here. I want to make a reading video. Okay, method of educational in is and worse. Teacher from a Western country recently visited an elementary school in an Asian country. In one class, she watched 60 young children as they learn to draw a cat. The children drew a big circle on the blackboard, and 60 children copied it on their papers. The teacher drew a smaller circle on top of the foot and then put two triangles on top of it. The children drew in the same way. The lesson continued until there were one indicated cats in the classroom. Each student's cat looked actually like the one of the board. The visiting teacher watched the lesson and was surprised. The teaching methods were very much different from the way of teaching in her own country. Children at lesson in her own country produced a room full of unique pictures, each one completely different from the others. Why? What caused the difference in education methods in a classroom in any country? The instructor teachers teach more than art or history or language. He or she also teach culture or the ideas and beliefs of the society. Each education system is a mirror that reflects the culture of the society. In a society such as the United States or Canada, which has many national, religious, and cultural different, people highly value in individualism. The difference between people. Teach place a lot of importance on the qualities that make each student special. The education system in this country shows these values. Students do not memorize information. Instead, they work individually and find answers themselves. There is often discussion in the classroom. At an early age, students learn to form their own ideas and opinions. In most Asian societies, by contrast, the people have the same language, history, and culture. Perhaps for this reason, the education system in much of the Orient reflects societies' belief in group goals and purpose rather than individuals. Children in China, Japan, and Korea often work together and help each other on assignment. In this classroom, the teaching methods are often very formal. The teacher lectures and the students listen. There is not discussion. Instead, the students relay rule or information that they have memorized. There are advantage and disadvantage to a board of this system of education. For example, an advantage to the system in Japan is that education. Students there learn much more math and science than American students learn by the end of high school. They also study more hours each day and more days each year than North Americans do. The system is difficult, but it prepares students for a society that value discipline and self-control. There is, however, a disadvantage. Memorization is an important learning method in Japanese schools. Yet many students say that after an exam they forget much of the information that they have memorized. The advantage to the education system in North America, on the other hand, is that students learn to think of themselves. The system prepares them for a society that values creative ideas. There is, however, a disadvantage. When students graduate from high school, they have memorized as many basic rules and effects as students in other countries have. The conclusion of this text is that education methods reflect the cultural and social value of the society concerned. In Western countries such as the United States and Canada, education emphasizes individuals and creative thinking with a focus on discussion and development of personal ideas. In contrast, in many Asian countries, education emphasizes uniformity and group work. With teaching methods that are formal and oriented toward memorization. Each system had advantage and disadvantage. Western system facilitated creative thinking but may like memorization of basic effect, while Asian system foster discipline and in-depth knowledge but many result in forgetting information after exams. Example in Islamic Al-Quran education. Al-Quran education is an important aspect of Islamic education. The Prophet Muhammad SAW himself taught the Al-Quran to his friend and the general public. The process of learning the Al-Quran is carried out orally, where students learn to read and understand the verse of the Al-Quran from their teachers. Example based on effect in South Korea. Education methods are often similar to Japan. For example, many students in South Korean attend Hagwon or private after school to prepare for exam. In contrast, in Philippines, the education system is different. Philippine school focus more on the balance between learning and play, as well as giving students more autonomy in their learning process. Example based on experience from Sarah. Sarah, a teacher from Canada. Sarah was surprised because in Canada she often encourages students to explore their creatively and express themselves individually in each art project. At the South Korean students, she realized the approach was very structured and the focus on following direction, precisely in reflection of the strong value of collectivism and cooperation in Korean society. Okay, maybe that's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.